Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable microphone in Google Chrome. So first step, you simply need to click on three dots on the top right in Google Chrome and go into the settings. Once you're here, you simply need to search for site settings and click on site settings in the bottom. Once you are here you can see microphone, click on that option. So you simply need to select this one. Sites can ask to use your microphone, and here you can see not allowed to use microphone. If some website is not allowed, you simply need to select, and here you can see microphone. You simply need to click on allow, and after that your this website is added into this list. So this is a process how you can enable microphone in Google Chrome. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.